Good morning, guys. It's Natasha, and around my home today, I'm back in the kitchen. Saturday today. My husband's already off at work. He's doing his last day of overtime for a little while, and then he's off all next week. So I know he's definitely ready for some time off and some rest. So I'm glad that's coming for him, and I appreciate all his hard work. And we've already had breakfast, but as you can see, I have not done my morning pickup, so it's time to do that. My daughter is actually outside already on the deck kind of behind you, so you might hear a little bit of her. She decided, since it's already 75 and it's only about 9 o'clock this morning, she wanted to get her swimsuit on and play in the water table. So we got that out, and I'm actually thrilled because it's great. Good for her. It'll keep her occupied, get some fresh air, and then I can get some stuff done inside here for a little bit. And she's right outside on the deck I can see her out the window behind you. So that's good. I can keep an eye on her. And besides cleaning up the kitchen, then I have a little bit of work to do for our family business. I'm going to try and knock that out this morning. And then we have an event I'm going to later today with my dad. So that'll be kind of fun just for a couple hours. And my daughter's going to stay with a new sitter. So, you know, lots of fun and exciting things going on the first day of summer break for us. And I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes. Hopefully cleaning up the kitchen won't take that long, but I'll be back to check in with you as soon as I've done that. Oh, and I also already started my load of laundry and grabbed up, besides just the colors, you know, that we have lying around, I got the nap time bedding from my daughter's backpacks, which she brought home from school yesterday. So it's kind of crazy to think about that. I know it's a silly little thing, but next year she goes to kindergarten, so no more naps. And I can already tell this summer we're not going to be doing naps because the last 6 weeks or so on the weekends we hardly get a nap in. It's just, she just wants to keep playing, and then she's really tired and really crabby at like 5:30. But that's part of this whole transition phase, I'm sure. So, and she's calling me, so I'm gonna get my timer started, clean up, and I'll be back. All right, I'm back. That is my 15 minutes plus some extra to play with my daughter outside for a little bit. She found an old water gun, so we were having fun running around. She was chasing me, all that. So the kitchen is back in better order. This is a little, where is it? I can't do that very well. There we go. That's a little plant she gave me for Mother's Day from school, and so I need to get that planted outside. But I also went outside, and when my timer went off, I picked some peonies from the front yard and got those in, which is nice to enjoy those blooms. And yeah, the rest of the kitchen is in good shape, excuse me. And the dishwasher is running, if you can hear that. The load of laundry is ready to be switched, so I need to go switch that. And then I think it'll be time to get to the jobs I need to do for our family business. Oh, and when I was in the yard getting the peonies, I realized there's a couple more spots with poison ivy that I need to spray. So I'm gonna go do that really quickly before I forget where they are. So I'll be off to do that. I did not, let's see, I need to touch base with you on my my one habit challenge. So yesterday was Friday, and I got the kitchen mostly cleaned up, but then I kind of started in a bunch of projects. So I would say yesterday wasn't the best as far as keeping the kitchen clean, but I don't know. I just tend to lay all my projects out on the island back there, and that's a good place to work on them. So eventually it got all cleaned up after dinner again, and was a clean, shiny sink when I went to bed, so that always feels nice. I did not do my 7 app, that workout app, the last 2 days, but I did it Wednesday night, Thursday, can't remember. No, I didn't do it Thursday, but Thursday I was running around for about an hour trying to get a bunch of stuff in the house done real quick in the short window of time I had. It was a really busy day. I had the guys came to measure for the new oven, so that's been measured. We had a dead tree in the yard, and the tree service from the power company actually came and just took off the top third, because we were mostly just worried about it falling in a storm or something and hitting the power line. So that at least got taken care of. and then it seemed like something else was going on. I don't know. It was a busy day. So I kind of counted the fact that I ran around the house for about an hour and was really worn out. The fact that I did some sort of exercise and was moving. So yesterday was Friday, and I kind of did the same thing. Oh, and then I had to walk to the post office in town, which is, again, we live in a hilly little town. So I did some good hill walking and got everything all taken care of there. So yeah, today hopefully I can get my 7-minute app done at some point, if nothing else before bed. Uh-oh, we have a visitor. Okay, someone wanted to say hi, so this is my daughter. Do you want to tell them your name?
Adelina.
Her name is Adelina, and who's this?
Baby Emma.
This is baby
And
Emma.
she's a real baby.
She's a real baby.
I want to be a real baby.
Okay. And does she like wet her diaper for real?
Well, she does it with water.
With water. She's a water baby, so we can feed her water, and she cries and she wets her diaper. You got her for your birthday last year, right?
When I turned 4.
Yep, and she is still the favorite baby that we love to play with, isn't she?
And she never gets messed up.
She never gets messed up.
But I meant like, never gets clogged up well. She starts to get
Right,
lost.
that's right. We've been taking good care of her, and she still works great. So, all right. Well, is that fun? You got to say hi to everybody? All right. Well, we're going to finish up the rest of our Saturday. Hope you guys are all doing
Mama,
great.
talk now.
Okay, you have a turn to talk.
Hi.
Okay. Can you tell them, have a great day?
Have a great
In
day.
your regular big voice.
Have a great day.
There you go. Say, see you next time.
See you next time.
You
My
talk
water
like a
baby said that.
Oh, your water baby said that. Okay. And then we'll see you in the next video, huh?
Have a story.
You're silly. All right, you guys. Thanks for joining us. We're going to have a great weekend. Start to the summer. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.